And then this is the final outfit. So first of all, I have got on this striped zip-up jumper. I'm seeing this style of jumper everywhere at the moment. They're very on trend. They look great layered underneath blazers or long coats. I actually picked this one up from ASOS for under £30, but I've seen lots of these around at the moment, so I'll try and link some really great alternatives as well. This black wool coat is from And Other Stories. I got this last year, but it's still available this year, and it's just a really beautiful black coat. It's belted, so you can kind of cinch it in and tie it up or wear it open. Really beautiful quality. And then my jeans are from ASOS. These are under £20. Just a really great pair of jeans. I've also got them in the black as well. They wash really well. They're super comfortable, really lovely shape, and just a great, super affordable pair of jeans. And then to finish off the outfit, I styled this with my beiges just to keep it really chilled. I thought the beiges worked well with this style of top. But again, I would also style this with ankle boots as it gets a little bit chillier. And then to finish off the outfit, the final piece of jewellery that I wanted to show you from my jewellery are these gorgeous little star hoops. And you may have seen these again in my under £50 gift guide for her. I spotted these when I was looking for like little gift ideas that were more affordable for my jewellery. Saw these and thought they were the perfect Christmas gift. They're just a tiny little gold May hoop with a little star on them, and I just think they're so cute. Would make a really special Christmas gift, but also you could wear them all year round anyway. So yeah, I will leave those linked, really dainty, and again you can get an extra 10% off with my discount code.